Okay, good morning. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Okay, so may I know your name?
Paula.
Paula?
Soleil. Soleil.
Selene?
Ariel.
Ariel?
Aya!
Aya, okay. So, are you done with your Christmas party?
Yes, Father.
Okay, and how was the Christmas party?
It was good.
And now, can I ask you some question about your Christmas wish?
Yes, Father. My
Huh?
Christmas wish?
Yes.
Kapayapaan.
Kapayapaan.
And hostisya yun.
Okay, talaga. Hostisya,
Yes,
kapayapaan.
hostisya, yeah.
Okay. And now, Christmas wish.
Sana walang lonely ngayong Pasko. Kasi alam ko yung feeling.
Talaga?
Ayun, at sana maraming gift. The joke lang.
Maraming gift. Okay,
Same.
maraming gift. Also, okay. Christmas wish.
Peace on earth. Tapos, sana walang masamang mangyari sa mga tao.
Okay, very good. Christmas wish.
Excel! Ay, no, wala eh.
Wala, Okay, yun, I love you. Maganda yun. Magandang ano yun,
Love.
Christmas wish. Love. Okay.
Love, para sa akin ha, para sa akin. Sa kanya lang.
Okay,
I
so
love you.
okay, enjoy your Christmas break.
Okay,
God bless you.
God bless
Okay.
you.